Today we're going to show you how to convert CMU motions to iClone real quick. So the first thing you do is you go to Bruce Hahn at CG Speed and download the 2010 Motion Builder conversion. And then you open up, you extract it to all folders. And we're starting with the 8694 folder. And once you're ready to convert these motions, let me show you how. It's real easy. Just open up iClone Exchange. I usually turn on the shadow, then put it on the blue sky. Open up folder 86, then drag and drop 8601 to the iClone window. Then press Align to Ground. And then find the animation window and drag the rest of the motions into the animation window, like this. Takes a minute because it's quite a bit of animation. But the whole point of this is they put out the conversion without the hands. Why? Because the hands is actually wrist. They got it confused. The wrist bone doesn't move at all, so we have to retarget the fingers to the hands. So that's really easy to do. All you do is, now that you have all your animations in there, click Add All to Perform, but delete the one that was extra. And then press Convert to Non-Standard. Okay, what you can do here is you can choose Maya Human IK in the drop-down list, and that gets you kind of close. But the only problem is these nodes are wrong, this one and this one. So you have to re-node those. Just click this blue hand right here, and make sure it's connected to right here under this list, right finger base, instead of right hand. So you have to do that. Now do the same for the left hand. Click left hand and then left finger base. Now just do the fingers. So on the right hand, you click left fingers, and that would be that. Wait, are we on right hand? Yeah, we're on right hand. So click right fingers, and then for right finger end, press this one, right finger end. Right thumb, press this one. Right thumb end, press this one. And that's how it's supposed to be. So go to the other hand and do the same thing. Go left finger, left finger end, left thumb end, and that's how it goes. So another thing you can do if you want is you can turn this arm maybe like that, just a tiny bit. Turn this arm just a tiny bit. Turn this foot just a little bit, and turn this foot a little bit. Now hit activate. Come over here and press this tab here, and you can put spacing on auto or height on auto, and then foot height is right here. You can make it come above the floor just a tad, and then once it's like this, you want to hit save, because that's the character profile you want to save. So go put it in the folder under CMU mobile version. Put it under the folder you're working on right here. Called CMU profile. So that should be in CMU profile. And that should be it. Now just press convert. Now you will see that not only does it convert it, but it converted it right with the right hand settings, where before those hand settings weren't there. So all we have to do now is preview a couple of our motions here. Number one, it's kind of like a odd sneak kind of thing. And then we'll check the last one. Yeah, those look really good. So my name's Joe. My website is truebones.com. I hope you like this new tutorial of how to convert the motions to iClone. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and hit export, because that's the last step, and just name it the same name of this folder, 8601, bam. And it's going to export all of those as iClone motions, which are easily drag and droppable. Once they're turned into iClone motions, they can be then combined with other iClone motions. So you can put them on any character. So CMU, Mobu, we did 86, we did 87, we did 88. Did we do 89 yet? So take 89 here, drag one in, drag in the rest to the window, hit align to ground, hit add all to perform, delete the extra, and then you hit convert to non-standard. Drag down the motion builder list, load the profile. But on the finger charts here, take it off the fingers. Oh, that's how you just take it off. You put it back on the original profile of My Human IK. Then you go to here, you click the right hand, because it doesn't have the right hand for it. So it's got to be right finger base instead of right hand. Do it same for the left finger base instead of left hand. Then reactivate it. And as you see, now the fingers are not mapped. So you can map it with or without those fingers. So hit convert. Take a look at a couple of them. Ooh. That looked really cool. We just need the feet. So let's see how that translates. We'll go export 8901, bam. So that's the whole 89 folder, but we got our doubts about the feet. So let's put it on an avatar. Let's just put it on this guy. Oh, look at that, folks. He was balancing something on his head, and the feet look right. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see what else is here. Okay, so some of this CMU is really awesome, but some of it is kind of weird. Like, that's a great motion right there. Look, it's got the hands. Yeah, some of it is good, and some of it is kind of weird that you could probably have to make a couple of adjustments. But that's about it, folks. I just showed you how to map the CMU data to iClone the correct way. You have to remap the hands, because the way it is now is the hands don't work. So that's how you make the hands work. Thanks for watching.